If you want to combine videos in CapCut quickly and keep your project organized, this is the easiest method to use. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple clips into one compound clip so you can move them together as a single unit on the timeline. This is especially useful when you're editing longer videos, creating sections, or just want a cleaner timeline without permanently flattening your footage. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure all the clips you want to combine are already on the timeline. To select the clips, hold down Ctrl on your keyboard and click each clip one by one. If the clips are next to each other, you can also drag a selection box around them to highlight everything at once. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected only the clips you want to group, because whatever is highlighted is what CapCut will combine. Once the clips are selected, right-click anywhere on the selected clips. This will open the menu with a few different editing options. From that menu, look for Create Compound Clip and click it. As soon as you do that, CapCut will merge the selected clips into one compound clip. Now your clips will move together as a single editable item, which makes it much easier to reposition, duplicate, trim, or organize sections of your timeline without separating everything. Another fast way to do this is by using the shortcut Alt+G right after selecting the clips. This does the same thing and can save you a lot of time once you get used to it. It's a great shortcut to remember if you combine clips often while editing. The best part about using a compound clip is that it keeps your edit flexible. You're not permanently destroying your original clips, and you can still go back and adjust things later if needed. That makes it perfect for rough cuts, group scenes, intros, outros, or any section you want to treat as one block. If you don't see the option right away, just make sure the correct clips are selected and you're clicking on the timeline selection itself. Once the compound clip is created, you can drag it around like one video layer, which makes your workflow much faster and much cleaner. So that's how to combine videos in CapCut using a compound clip. It's simple, it's fast, and it's one of the best ways to stay organized while editing. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.